In this Fanvue review, I'm going to be showing you a creators platform in which you could be making money. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Fanvue is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi, and if you want to get my 5 proven steps to quit your 9 to 5 job with affiliate marketing, make sure you click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. So Fanvue is basically for only creators who have a fan base. So if you don't have a fan base, it won't be that easy to actually make money on this particular platform. So you will have to be a creator with a certain specific fan base. So it doesn't matter which industry you're from. Maybe you can be a coach in fitness or a coach in your diet, your coaching diet, or anything like that. Whatever your industry is, you could be coming here with your fan base. So what you're going to be doing is that, suppose you have an OnlyFans account, what you could be doing is you could drive your fans from your OnlyFans account to this particular platform, and you can charge them exclusive content. They're selling exclusive content or maybe a subscription services. And also guys, you could be offering your free services as well. And also you could be an AI creator. You could also come to this platform. You could be a UFC title contenter, or you could be even a YouTuber. So you could drive the YouTuber traffic to your to this particular platform, and you could monetize them by doing a subscription service or selling exclusive content or anything like that. And also you could be interacting with your customers or maybe your clients or your fans. You could do all of that. So here you could see you could earn money from subscriptions. So that's one way you could do. And you can connect with your fans with messaging, and you could sell like content with pay to view. So I would say this is almost like OnlyFans. So this is just like OnlyFans. This is like a competitor, but Fanvue is not that great when you compare it to OnlyFans, because OnlyFans has been there for quite a long period of time, and there's a lot of creators actually using it. But Fanvue is relatively new, and if you're really wondering if this is worth your time, stick around, because I have found some bad stuff about Fanvue recently. So make sure you stick till the end. And also guys, there are some features you get inside Fanvue, like the AI features. Then you get smart messaging. You could do subscriptions, as I said. You could pay to view. You could get advanced insights, and also a 24/7 support. So these are some of the features that they're claiming that they are going to give you. Okay. So, and one thing, this is like really important. So suppose you make like $10,000 per month, you're going to be taking like 85% of the money. So that means like 8,500 in the first month, and from the second month they are going to be taking like 20%. So you can keep like 80% of your money. So $2,000 will go to Fanvue. So that's how they make their money. So 15% for your first month and 20% from the second month onwards. So that's how much charge, and I personally don't think that's like a lot of money. Most websites like this, they charge around 15 to 20% of what you're making. So that's how it works. It's a win-win situation. If you make more money, they are also going to make more money. So that's how it works. So that's basically it for this video of Fanvue. But as creators only, you could be earning with this platform. If you're relatively a new creator, you won't be able to make money with this particular platform, because you need to have some existing fan base. Maybe a semi-famous fan base is also like okay, but you need some sort of fan base in order to attract customers. And at the end of the day, you want them to actually pay, right? So you need to have some fan base, which is why it's actually a disadvantage for those who are not creators, because this is not for you. So one thing what I did was I went to Trustpilot. So Trustpilot is where you could see like reviews about this particular app. So anything about 4-star review on Trustpilot is actually a fantastic app. That's what I would say. But there is some suspicion about Fanvue. The reason why is that I always like to look at the 1-star reviews. So usually, when you see 20%, you will feel like, it's okay, but the 5-star is like 71%. So I feel like there is some kind of manipulation happened. So this doesn't really look really arranged in the first place. I feel like the 5-star have been botted, so there are a lot of botted reviews. The reason is that the ratio doesn't really look good, which is why the 4-star couldn't access in the first place. So 20% 1-star is like a very lot, because I would say 5 to 10% is like the sweet spot for actually a good website, I would say. So Fanvue has got almost 20% bad reviews on Trustpilot, which is actually a concern. So let's have a look at what the 1-star has got to say. So you could see here, it's the biggest scam ever. First, they scammed my $250 and told me it's not your content. So I did it all again and I got another $300. Then blocked me and banned me. Then you have no action taken on copyright infringement. Then you have warning for creators considering Fanvue. I have been using Fanvue for over a year. Everything was working fine. I had hundreds of subscribers and made consistent revenue. But since over a month ago, I suddenly haven't been able to withdraw my earnings. So you're going to be seeing all sort of problems like this. So there are quite a lot of, so these are actual people. This is not botted reviews. You could see a lot of botted reviews in the 5-star. So a lot of people are having complaints about they're not actually able to withdraw their money. So that's the first problem that you're going to be seeing. So the reason why that is happening is that they are actually trying to keep all the money. So recently a lot of creators are not getting their money. So suppose you make like 500, so some people have made like 4,000, 5,000, $400 in all of these reviews. You could see that. And what they're claiming is that they're not getting their money back, or they're not able to withdraw the money. So that's the problem that they are facing. All of these people are making money, but at the end of the day, if you're not able to get the money, what's the point in actually making connection with them and actually working with them? So they do reply, and they are telling you guys that it's because of some terms and condition issues, but it's not really the case, guys. This is basically also for adult content. So what terms and condition that you could possibly break in the first place? So they are telling you all sort of problems. So there are quite a lot of number of 1-star reviews, because people are not able to withdraw their money. So you need to keep that in mind. I don't think Fanvue is the best option out there. Even OnlyFans would be way better, because it has its reputation. This is relatively new and people are facing a lot of problems. If you look at the 1-star, about they're not able to take any of their money. So you have to keep that in mind. So that's basically it for this video of Fanvue. Now, if you're still watching this video and if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about a way to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, I suggest you click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. It's my 5 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing. And also you could be seeing my recommended system. So if you want to see all that, make sure you click the first link. So that's it. And I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.